Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas is trading at a level of $2.8820. Okay, and now if you go and see that the high of the natural gas is moving at a level of $2.920. Okay, and this is I'm talking about yesterday's and day before. But if you go beyond, what you can see that the high of a zone is at a level of 3.053, and this level is already being tested twice. If a level being tested twice, chances of moving further upside is there. If the price move above or downfall, okay, we can see it will cross that zone. It's on a higher side. Okay, now if you go beyond this level, you will see that it is moving in a zone. Okay, full day it was after making a half around $2.920. It is continuously downside and it was in this zone. If the zone breakout happens downside or upside, a further upside or a downfall we can see respectively. But now if you go on a day wise chart, you will see clear pattern. Okay, because if you are trading for a shorter view, then you have to go for a 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, even sometime a minute charts. Okay, if you want to attend my workshop also, where I explain how to see the charts and all, okay, and how to analyze when to trade, when not to trades and all things, you can mail me regarding that and we can work on it. See, now if you go and see this particular chart, we have seen there is a W pattern forming. Okay, previously also there was a pattern forming. If we go after July month, okay, but if we go beyond this level, we have seen that since 2023 in the starting itself, we have seen the range of natural gas is in this particular zone, $0.64. This is the zone where the price of natural gas is moving for so long. So if a zone breakout happens, then a probability of upside or downside respectively we can see on both sides. Okay, so you have to be prepared for that thing. Okay, this is the first thing that you have to understand. Second thing is that it is trying to go upside, but there is a lot of volatility we have seen. Okay, and one thing you have to understand, when there is a good amount of volatility, always try to reduce your quantity to half. Okay, and increase your SL and target by twice, because you never know how much volatility we can see. See, if in this particular zone we can see yes a good volatility, so your SL, if you are putting a normal SL in a volatile market, it will not work. You have to put your SL half, okay, SL twice, quantity half or thrice, something like this you have to do according to the volatility. I teach that is also in my workshop. Okay, now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high that it will go further upside and it will touch a level of around $2.8906. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, we will see it will go further upside and a chances of moving further high we can see, and then it will touch a level of around $2.9203. Okay, after this level we can see it will touch this level, and if it moves above that particular level, we will see it will cross that zone, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.9305 is there. Okay, because these are very close resistance, chances will be very high. As soon as started sustaining this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, a further upside we can see, and then the next support coming at a level of $3.0307. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, we will see it will cross a level of $3.0502, that is half this zone. Then a probability of going further upside towards a level of 3.08055 is there. Okay, and once the price sustain above this level, a further high we can see, and a probability of going towards a level of around 3.236 is there. Understand something, as soon as started moving above a level of $2.9, chances will be high it will cross a level of around $3.346. From there, a probability of touching a level of 3.0541, and then it will cross that level, and a probability of going towards 3.0894 is there. If the price started sustaining, it will cross a zone of $3.243, and from there we can see a level of 3.261, and then probability of touching 3.3231 is there. Okay, if the price started sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see, and then a probability of going towards 3.4180 is there, and if the price sustain above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so keep that in mind, that as soon as started moving above a level of 3.053, a further upside we can see. Now understand something, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will go upside or downside, okay, it will only happen when there is a big event coming, okay, or some event is coming plus a breakout is happening, upside or downside. That is where a big movement or some sharp rise or sharp fall. Otherwise, how market moves you can see. Okay, fall for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way, it fall for some time, that is how it comes down. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, so always try to remember, set your SL and trailing SL. If it didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.8612. If the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see towards $2.8357. Okay, now if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it will go further fall, and we can see it can touch a level of around $2.8212, and from there we can see it will go towards a level of 2.7889. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.8612. After that we will see it will go further fall, and then the next support coming at a level of $2.8393 to a level of around 2.8212. Okay, keep that in mind. As soon as started falling below this level, a further fall we can see, then you will see the next support coming at a level of $2.7996, and from there we can see a level of 2.7889. Okay, and if the price started falling below that level, then a further fall we can see, then a probability of going towards 2.76605. okay, and when it started falling below this level, a further fall we can see, then the next support coming at a level of $2.7359. okay, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.6, because it will go in the zone of 2.6 after falling below a level of around $2.7640 to a level of $2.7289. and if the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.7. okay, because there it is moving in a zone. So as soon as if it has to break out of the zone, then only we can see a further upside movement. But if it come again in the zone, then probability is high it will move in a zone of $2.7 to a level of 2.5. This is the zone where it is moving for so long. So if it moves below a level of 2.7605, then after that we can see it will go towards $2.7289 to a level of 2.7046. If the price fall below this level, we can see it will go towards 2.6702, and then if the price fall below that level, we will see a pattern will form and chances of going further fall we can see, and then it will go further down towards a level of $2.6329. and if the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see, and I'll explain you, okay, if the price fall below this level, where it can go. Keep that in mind. As soon as started falling below $2.6326, chances of touching 2.5 will be there, and then from there we can see it will go further down, and a probability of going towards after $2.6 we can say 2.47, and then it will come in this zone. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.